What हो रहा है?
People are staring at us. Do not do that.
Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do something a little different from what I usually do. I'm gonna basically meet my friends today and I thought why not do a little challenge with them. Fun and simple shopping challenge. I'm gonna add certain criterias that we have to follow when we do this challenge. And you're gonna only find out when we meet because even they don't know we are doing this. So wait for it because you're gonna find out very soon and stay tuned till the end to know what we get for each other and let me know in the comments below who you think has won this shopping challenge. And now I have to leave like really quickly because we were supposed to meet at 1. It's 2 o'clock now. Very late, but the weather is actually very good, but I have to look for people, and because I can't find anyone, so I'm not like looking for people because no one is at the spot that we were supposed to meet, so it's okay, we're doing that. Hey, देखो, ये देखो, look at this girl. Why are you doing this to me? यही तो बहुत जल्दी डिसाइड कर ले इसने आने का.
ये दिशा नहीं है.
बहुत जल्दी आ गई. So I have decided कि हम लोग आज एक challenge करेंगे and it's going to be like a shopping challenge.
पैसा waste.
नहीं, पैसा वेस्ट नहीं है. So let's decide the color and कौन किसके लिए पहले खरीदेगा, then पता चल जाएगा पैसा वेस्ट क्यों नहीं है. I have the chits. I'm all prepared. I'm always prepared. Let me explain to you properly because I just realized that we were just laughing and we really didn't explain anything properly. So according to the challenge, we had to shop things for each other on the basis of the color that we had gotten, and we had only 40 minutes for it. We had a list that we were following, and according to that, we had to just shop for each other, nothing more. I had got red, Smritika black, and Disha had gotten white. Smritika! Smritika!
You just exchange.
Who will exchange?
अरे exchange नहीं. दिशा.
सबको प्रॉब्लम है क्या हमसे?
नहीं. मैं तो चाय नाम ले लेती हूँ, तुम उसका नाम ले लो. दिशा buy for me.
So I'm gonna buy for Disha.
दिशा.
Smritika. You'll buy for me.
Zaina.
There's a list of things that उसमें से we have to buy and you have to buy it within only 200 rupees. You don't have to touch 200, but 200 candles. See, पैसा waste नहीं है.
फिर भी पैसा waste.
कोई बात नहीं, they'll do it. क्या करेंगे? दे दो, हो जाएगा. So the 40 minutes starts now.
Bye. I brought a friend with me for help. Let's go.
So what are you going to start with?
So we'll do something to drink, something sweet, something sour, something they'd like, and a snack.
What would be white? White with
पानी होता है सबसे सस्ता.
वो transparent होता है.
So what drinks do you think we should get? It's easy. Oh, I got black. So for me, the easiest drink would be Pepsi, yeah, or thumbs up or anything.
Something sour sorted.
People are staring at us. Do not do that.
Something she exactly likes, but something that she needs. So I think that counts. And it's the thought that counts. भाई ये रेड वाला दे दीजिए ना.
We need to buy something sour.
I think we should get Zaina this. Something she likes. Rich creamy hair color because she has blonde hair. She needs it to turn into black.
This dish like roses.
So I am on my way to enter Mio Amore or Monginis to buy something sweet, that is a dessert in black color. Let me see if I have any luck finding Black Forest cake. If not, then we'll find something else.
Something sweet लेना.
Things I don't necessarily wear or like, so I'm gonna take the basic thing ever.
स्मृतिका के लिए ढूंढना is too difficult. I don't know why. But I know why. But still, I don't know why.
KitKat दे दीजिए ना.
Like Zaina.
Uncanny.
Look who I see. What are you doing here? Okay.
Bye bye. It's red and yellow, but I think it works.
Yeah,
Has a
get
little
this
bit of
one.
black, but it is like pura red from inside. So I think.
फिर ठीक से तोड़ नहीं पाए ऐसे दो.
So you have to buy two.
Yeah.
अच्छा हुआ.
नीचे
I'll have
वाला
both now.
खाली हो गया. नहीं, I have one.
We all are together right now, and we are going to go to a place so that we can eat and show everything to each other. So we are just waiting for that.
ऑटो वाला. हम लोग बहुत बड़े ब्लॉगर हैं और जायना का अकाउंट तुम्हारा क्या है? So we are done shopping. Do not talk and Zaina will say something.
Start with drinks because everyone is thirsty. Drinks is the first thing.
This is
Taste करो उसमें तो आपको taste करो.
Dimka.
No.
यदि एक पैकेट दूध नहीं आया तब क्या होगा?
Dish 3.
Lassi. Good. But then I'll take the iced coffee.
No. It's fine.
I am iced coffee paglu.
Things we tried was very easy. 1, 2, 3.
I got you a chocolate lava cake because I know it's made of chocolate but it looks black.
I don't care. It's good. These are KitKat.
It's for Smritika. It's a sweet.
She got actual mithai. This is white color ka sandesh.
Something sour.
Something sour.
Sour.
1,
2,
3.
go.
Something sour. Even I was trying for something like this in black.
This
But
is black.
this inside is black. Yeah.
Only.
I was trying something like this
I'm going.
and it is called Fatafat. I don't know.
I love it.
It's like Fatafat,
Yes.
but it is called Zaina.
1, 2, 3.
Black color ka hot food chips.
Momo. Pretty clear कि हम लोग चिप्स ही खरीदेंगे. Something they like. It's the last one.
कब लाएगी शायद?
And I know the white color and black color. But हमारे asterisk के साथ मिलेगा.
Asterisk. ओह ये मैं पुणे में लेकर जाऊंगी.
Yes. क्यों बोलेंगे?
बोलेंगे.
For Zaina, I thought first I'll get earrings, but I did not know what she liked. We saw a ring, but that also I did not know because it was first a black, baki different color. So I was thinking of getting a mug also. That also we did not because we thought it would not be in our budget because वो water bottle वाला था. Then I got something basic as I got you a clip. It was Anushka's idea. I can see what is it, a toothbrush?
It's very useful. This was the end of our challenge. We are going to share everything and eat together. Before we actually start eating, there is someone who has been with us from the beginning, and she has to tell us कि हम लोग तीनों में से who won the challenge. Anushka, choose a drink.
The hell? I would have chosen the iced coffee.
Yeah.
1 point for Disha.
Okay.
The snacks.
For I only.
Choose.
That is
Yay!
say which one is nicer, more effortful. What? Why is it
No
just
talking back to the judge. What?
you are the judge?
So loser. Choose Sar. Choose Anushka. Yes! Disha is the winner.
My favorite addiction.
ये आम गोली का है.
खेल बड़ा मैं उल्टी कर दूँ.
मेरा choice इतना अच्छा क्यों है?
We are done with the challenge. I had a lot of fun. Did you guys have fun?
Very much fun. No.
What is this? No, Smritika.
And
And I am the winner. You know? I am clapping for myself. Clap,
the
clap,
winner.
clap, clap.
If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe and comment down below what you like the most Anushka is
and what
hiding.
other challenges you want us to do?
Yep. Okay,
Not that
bye.
we'll do it.